girls, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lindsey Abreu and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want to introduce to you guys my new series on my channel. It's going to be called Boss Babe 101. I am getting flooded with DMs and comments on my videos asking me about, how are you able to move out at 17 years old? What do you do and all that stuff, and just how do you stay positive? And honestly, I just want to share that with you guys, and I want to help you guys become independent, beautiful women. I feel like here on YouTube and just Instagram and the social media platform, a lot of people just look at it as, just makeup, hair, beauty, but it's honestly not just about that. It's more about you, and you're finding yourself and reaching for your goals and working towards yourself to develop a beautiful, independent woman. And this series, I want to just show you guys how to do that. I know a lot of women struggle internally, and every woman does. I struggled, but you have to put the work into yourself and finding yourself. Moving out of my parents' house, moving out of state at the age of 17 was my biggest journey that I've crossed so far, and I'm absolutely so thankful for it, because at the end of the day, I found myself. That journey has helped me find myself. When you're alone, you find the things that actually make you happy. And I want to motivate you guys and empower you guys, because it's all about empowering women, because us women need to stick together. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a vision board. I did my first vision board back in my sophomore year of high school, and I will insert a picture of it right here. On this board, as you guys can see, was Florida and Florida Atlantic University, which I was dying to attend. That was my dream school, and now I'm going to my dream school, and now I have moved to my dream location, which is Miami. Let me just tell you guys, manifesting your dreams and waking up every day to seeing a board on your wall and working towards these goals, or these pictures of your goals on the wall, will help you grind and reach for them. You need to invest in yourself, honey. You need to make sure that you are the best version of yourself and wake up every single day and work towards that, because at the end of the day, nothing else matters but you, period. This is my new vision board. I'm going to show you guys how I came up with this. So I hope you guys are excited to watch this video and become a boss babe and just put the work into yourself and invest in yourself. You guys are all queens and you have the potential to become a boss babe. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check out some more of my other videos if you're here new to my channel, and I love you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. Now stay tuned to become a boss babe. Alright, my love, so we're going to start off by getting a post-it note and a pen, and you're going to write down the goals that you guys want to achieve, and you want to really take your time and think about these goals. So this is your vision board. So you either have some short-term goals or some long-term goals. For me, what I wrote down was save 5K by October, 4.0 GPA, just things like this. So after you're done with your list, you're going to want to take the post-it note and stick it on your computer, so that way when you're going through Pinterest, you're going to have your goals right in front of you, so you guys stay focused. One of the biggest things about manifesting your affirmations. So what I did was I went ahead and looked up affirmations, and I saved a couple of my favorite ones. You're going to keep looking until you find ones that are good for you, because you're going to be reading these every day to yourself. To make life easier for you guys, which you guys are going to thank me for this, is create a board for everything that you guys want to save, and title it vision board or 2020 goals, so that way at the end of this, after your little Pinterest scan, it will be all right there for you to save it onto your computer. Wanna take a flick right now and then we'll rock slow, cradle me back and forth, baby, need. So these are a couple things that I saved to my board. So I have travel pics and beautiful countries. I have some quotes, and then after you did all that, you're gonna want to open up a Google Doc, and you're gonna want to title it vision board, and you want to make sure that it's in landscape, or the Google Doc is in landscape. That's gonna be able to fit more pictures on it. Baby, you special. So here are the things that you would need to make your vision board. Now I got my feelings out the door. Okay. Man, I feel so stupid. Romance, so the purpose of this exercise is to focus your energy on the goals and the dreams that you guys want to achieve. So you want to make sure you got a little good vibe going on, burn your favorite candle, make sure you guys are all set up. So these are all the images that I printed out. I can say this is the only bad part about doing this whole thing, is cutting everything up, because you will sit there and cut every single page up, but at the end it's worth it. I promise you, when your dreams come true, you will thank me. So now you're going to want to go ahead and lay out your pictures. I wanted to have an aesthetically pleasing, vision board, so I went with an all pink theme. So I laid out, my pictures how I like that. You're gonna play with this because you're not gonna get it perfect the first time, and then you're gonna go ahead and start pinning them down. As you're doing this, you can rearrange them, to the way that you want it. I ended up doing this like 3 times, and at the end I finally got it to be perfect.
If you think you're the one for me,
I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can just watch as I go. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope everyone who watches this accomplishes their goals and their dreams, because we all need to be successful. But I love you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and like this video. Bye, my loves.